Using the NanoVNA, I am actually gonna try to measure this coil, or this transformer, that we have a good end-fed half-wave transformer. So I'm gonna use my NanoVNA, detach the regular antenna, and I have this. It's about 2450 ohm resistor. Three resistors connected together, and if we place this, place it between ground and the radiating element, and we should be able to have a good SWR measured across the bands. Let's see how that works. So we have 2450 ohm resistance across this. You have to one thing that may mess up this measurement is if you use resistors that have a lot of inductance as well. There are some resistors that will have too much inductance to do this, but I've been using these resistors before, and it's giving me a heads up on what's going on and if everything works. So yeah, attach to port 1 on NanoVNA. Attach to the antenna UNUN. And yeah, let's see here what we have. You see the SWR sweep. We are down to 1.7, 1.8 here at 15 meters, 1.77, around there on 10 meters. Yeah, it was on 12 meter. We had 1.8, 1.7.5 on 15, and we're at 1.7 on 17 meters. 20 meters, we are 1.5 to 1. Yeah. 30 meters, 1.3. 1.3 at 40 meters as well. So yeah, it's working as it should. And we now just have to cut the correct length of antenna. We do the same sweep and see if we need to go shorter or higher to reach the bands we desire. See that we hit 40 and 20 and at least 40, 20 and 10, maybe 15. Yeah. So that's good. Yeah, thank you for watching, and 73.